Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going through it, yeah, slow till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all the art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going through it, yeah.
Alright guys, so you saw the acceleration videos and the times, so I haven't really looked at the times exactly yet, but we checked them out as we drove back, and sadly the JDM ECU or the JDM TRD ECU doesn't seem to have any benefit over the standard EURO ECU that I have in my MRS, or I would even go and say it has more negative than positive aspects, because it's limited to 180 kilometers an hour. You could get around that with like a speed limit differential, I think it's called, but with that you would have to splice it into your your wiring harness, and nah. If the ECU would have made a huge difference, I would have thought about that, but as you saw, it didn't really, and so yeah, I mean, I kind of expected that, because I didn't really, I couldn't find any info about a TRD ECU for an 1cc, but the one yeah, possibility that I saw was that there maybe was the possibility to drive your, I mean, is that the Toyota Celica ECU? To drive your Celica to Toyota Racing Development in Japan, and they would take out your factory ECU, reprogram it a little bit for maybe some standard mods that you did, or maybe they did to your car or something, and then they put a sticker on the standard ECU and put it back on your car. Because the sticker, for me, the sticker looks really legit. It looks like, it looks older. It doesn't look like somebody just put it on recently, and it's also like a metal sticker and stuff like that. But yeah, maybe the ECU has a little bit different fuel map or ignition timing or anything, but because I don't know any of the like mods, or if it's made for any mods, I don't know for which mods at all. So for my car, currently without the precats and with a K&N air filter, performance air filter, yeah, like insert for the standard airbox, it had no difference in the acceleration times, and it limited the car to 180 kilometers an hour, so that was the only effect that was noticeable, and that was very an interesting experience, because it completely shuts down at 180. It shuts down, then you, or I think it will shut off the fuel injection, and then you go like, and once you've dropped below like 180 kilometers an hour, it got back back again. It was very, very interesting, but yeah, that had no effect. And I don't know how I'm going to cut these videos yet, but Maybe I will cut this out, maybe I won't.
Here we go.